So hey guys, I'm Sumit and I'm back with another tutorial. This time around we'll be working on the To-Do app. Now this is the third app of the Intro to React tutorial series, and last time around we learned things like component-based structure, renders and re-renders, immutability, virtual DOM and state. Today we'll be learning what the use effect hook is, or what a side effect in general is, and how to use a CRUD API with React application. So we are not going to focus on making the API, right? We'll be using a fake API. Let's check what I mean by a fake API. Let's just jump to Chrome and search JSON server, right? Yeah. So this is what we'll be using. So yeah, let's just go ahead and first create the React app. Let's jump to our terminal, and to create the React app, what we do is yarn create React app. Oh, let's name this app as to do whatever folder you're in, just create the app there. And then in another terminal, what we can do is we can set up this JSON server. I already have this installed, but just to show you guys, we can do npm -g. What was that? JSON server. Okay. Yeah, it's being installed. For me, it's already installed, but let it go once again. Yeah. Let's just see what happened. ls, yeah, to do folder is there, it's still installing. Yeah, so we can now do cd to do, and we can do yarn start. It should start React app, right? So yeah, we should see. Yeah, cool guys. Now let's get this up and running. So to do this, what we have to do is let's create a different folder, mkdirdb. Okay, let's open this in VS Code. And what we have to do is pretty simple. We just have to create a db.json file of what happened to VS Code. Looks like it's not working. I don't know. Okay, we'll just use nano db.json. Now nano is an terminal editor. Let's do this. Users. Okay. So remember, we have to create a JSON file. Okay. Now this is fine. Control X. Yes. And done. Okay. Let's see if VS Code works. Okay, it's still not working. Uh, do you want to do it with Nano, or if you want to do it with VS Code, I'll show you what to do. Just create a db.json file and write this whole thing there. Open bracket, close bracket, users, and make it as empty array. Or should we do it as users? No, let me just do it as to do. We are making to do at the end of the day. So let's just add here to do's. Control X, Y. Say, yeah. So if I do that again, so basically make a db.json file there and do this. For some reason, my VS Code is just not working. Let's just force quit this. Let's open it again. Let's see if this works or not. Okay, it works. Okay, we have a to-do.json here. Let's move this here. Move. Okay, we have a db. Okay, let's just format this. This works. So this is what we were making there, right? Control save. Now what we have to do is we can do JSON server. I don't remember. Let's see. JSON server hyphen watch db.json. Okay. Now JSON server hyphen watch. Okay, we are not in db, so let's do dot slash db slash db.json. Okay, it's working. Maybe, probably. Let's just check. If you want to check if it's working or not, wait a minute. Okay, localhost 3000 to do's. Nice. Okay, localhost 3000 to do's. If we do, we get an empty array. Now, what we can do is we can just go here and add a to do, right? To add a to do, let's do this an empty object, right? A to do needs an ID. Okay, ID. Let's give this ID of 1 for now. Then it needs to do, of course. Let's do this as make a tutorial on to do app, right? Then we have to give it a property of completed, which is a boolean, and for now it should be false, right? Now if we save this and come here and refresh this, yeah, we can see that we have a list of to-dos. Now this to-do, now okay, how do I say we have a list of to-dos? Let's copy paste this whole thing, comma paste, comma paste. Let's do id as to make a tutorial, maybe I don't know, uh sleep early. I'm guilty of that, I sleep really late, but yeah. Then id of 3. Okay, ids, I mean, nothing here is real data, it's all fake data, but yeah. So whatever ID can be, whatever it can be a string or something like that. So that's why whatever it works fine, right? It's just fine whatever you type here. Let's do a completed true. And let's go here and hit refresh. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. We can see this data, right? So I'll see you in the next video, and we'll start making the React app for this whole to do create to do thing. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.